beautiful day for fishing? Huh, what's that in the water? Oh no, a little dolphin is trapped in a fishing net. Hang on, buddy, I'll help you. There you go, little one, you're free now. Thank you, Hadi. I such love a playful dolphin. I'll call you Dolphy. Let's be friends.
Hadi and Dolphy playing together. Hadi and Dolphy learned that friendship knows no boundaries. They also learned the importance of respecting nature and helping others. Their story inspired their village to become a more friendly and cooperative place for humans and animals alike. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned a lot from it, my little friends. If you liked the story and want to hear more exciting and helpful stories, I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I'll share more stories and fun adventures with you. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you'll be the first to know when new stories are posted. Thank you for your time, and stay tuned for more surprises coming to my channel.